Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about how to create invoices in Freeagent software. So we'll come in work menu. Here you will get option of invoicing. Once you click here you will get this kind of display. Just click on create your first invoice. Then after we'll get invoice display. Okay, first of all we need to select the customer. Then after we'll fill basic details of the invoices like reference number, date of invoice, payment terms, currency, and additional text, just like narration. And these are email regarding options like reminders and all. Now just click on create new invoice. Now there are three modes: draft, sent, and paid. Okay, click add invoice item. Then after in quantity mention 1. Here we are not maintaining inventory, so in unit field we'll select no unit. Then after write unit price and select VAT. Here detailed field is mandatory, so I need to write something just like sales. Create and finish, and our invoice has been added, but still it's in draft mode, so it has not been reflect on our books of account. Okay, and for reflection we have to move it from draft to mark as sent. Okay, and here you will get so many options like save as PDF, send by email, duplicate invoice, add new invoice. Okay, and in action tab you can create credit note and also you can make payment. Okay, again I go in invoice. So for editing purpose I have to move to draft mode. Okay, so as you can see here in draft mode you can see the option of edit and delete. Okay, you can delete the invoices from here. Let me move to sent mode. Once you receive the money, the invoice mode will be transfer from sent to paid invoices. Okay, so in this manner you can create invoices in Freeagent. Thanks for watching.